Holy cow, check out these holes. I can't do it. Do you have holes in your drywall like I do? Let's patch them up with this kit we got on Amazon. Now we're ready to fill some holes. Use your handy little sander included in your kit, and we're just gonna buff out those scratches. There, now you have a clean hole. Now you're gonna open this little container of drywall compound. That's nice. Grab a little dollop here. Just a little. Then you just spread it. We're gonna let it dry, then we'll go back, sand over it, fill it back in, and make sure everything is flush. Got an even bigger hole? We're gonna cover it up with this patch. It's like a sticker. Everyone loves a sticker. Now we're gonna cover it with some compound. A lot of it. Really get in there. You could leave it like this because it looks pretty good, but we're gonna let it dry, sand it down, and then add a few more layers until we get it perfectly flush. Yeah. If you have an even bigger hole, we're going to need a piece of scrap wood that we're going to place within the hole. Then we're going to fasten it to the drywall. And then we need to cut out a piece of drywall the exact same size of this that we are also going to fasten in here. And then we're going to putty over it real nice. Then we're gonna add some paint and this thing will look brand new. And that's how you patch drywall.